Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So if you don't want anyone in your contacts to discover that you have a TikTok account, you can just use these steps to hide it. First, after you open the TikTok apps, you can just head to your profile and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, and in here you can click on the privacy options, and there will be this suggest your account to others. So click on that, and here you need to make sure that this options is disabled or turn off like this, because if it's on, then TikTok will suggest your account to your contacts. So that means your account will be published or visible to your contacts. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.